How to fix when keeps restarting on Poco M8. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, go to App Library, scroll down to End, click on Settings. Now in Setting, scroll down to End, click on Additional Setting. After click on Additional Setting, click on Developer option. After click on developer option, scroll down and search media setting from here. Click on media DRM settings and you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update your software latest, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. If it's still not solved, so refresh phone and click on settings app and click on this first option about phone. After click on about phone, scroll down and click on factory reset and erase all data. After click on erase all data, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix when keep starting on Poco M8. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.